What's up, guys? SWAT member here. Today we're playing on Atlas 5X. We got our base behind us. We're gonna be raiding everyone, including Nut. They're horrible, and we're gonna make everyone cry. And like and subscribe if you want some awesome juicy peaches.
You just saying Thor's right here, Kyle.
Oh, listen to me right fucking now, yeah. If one more fucking flashbang goes off in this fucking base, bro, I'm gonna lose my fucking mind, you little dickheads. Right, go to a fucking monument, you little ADHD cunt, bro. Stop the fucking jackhammering, you little shit.
Why do we have a bubble in our base?
Fucking hell.
Yeah, hold up. I'm gonna try to get kicked.
Don't you shoot me, Mr. Randy. Get over here. Oh, you're so lucky I can't get over there.
Just start destroying beds, because that's not certain setting. We're renovating base.
Oh, I see you, bro. Going forward, just mute. Going.
For the best.
This dude couldn't see for a whole minute straight.
Oh, I just no grand. Not a base.
We gotta get more bagels.
I already have.
No more. No more. Stop. I'm trying to put my fucking bed down, bro. Leave me alone.
Bagels, you want to strike?
What did I do?
No, we're playing around. We are playing.
I don't know. I
around.
just picked
Bother
up somebody's bed though, so if that's yours, sorry about that.
Don't pick my bed up. That's mean.
We're playing tag. Why can't we not play tag?
Hold on.
Why is our TC decaying?
Can we play tag, please?
Shut your lame ass up, nigga.
Our base is decaying.
Yeah, you can
bro.
play tag fucking solo. Leave me alone.
Alright, we gotta follow Dalton around, okay?
No, bro. He doesn't. Wait. He doesn't muffing now. He used to do it yearly. I'm surprised he doesn't muffing now.
What?
Bagels, you won't. Bagels, you won't. You won't.
Where is he?
You can't find me.
I can't. I'm about to find you right now.
Who is that? Is this Sam?
Hey, you can't keep it a shit.
No!
Yo, whoever's jackhammering, I'm gonna punch him in the face.
Rupert, stop with the jackhammer.
Paul, where are you at?
What side? What side?
Second floor shelf.
Oh, you guys still jackhammering stuff from both doing flash blanks?
Hold it.
Polo, but you're supposed to be leading. Holy shit. Y'all are pissing off, bro.
What's wrong with you, bro? What the heck? You tripping, bro? You tripping?
Oh my god, man.
What the fuck's the kid that's jackhammering at me though?
Who's hitting boxes?
He's not hitting boxes. He's hitting beds. Where the fuck's he at?
Is he?
I don't know. I told him to stop. He doesn't stop, so.
I don't even know where the fuck he's at. I can't. Fuck they're at. I found him. It's fucking what's his name?
No, it's not. I literally just came back
That's the
in.
first time I've had fun on the 5S bike in a while.
Rudy's the one that's jackhammering.
First time I enjoyed myself.
Where is this fucking?
I just drew
Where'd you find him?
50 flashbangs.
We don't know him right here.
You just saying Thor's right here.
Oh, listen to me right fucking now, yeah. If one more fucking flashbang goes off in this fucking base, bro, I'm gonna lose my fucking mind, you little dickheads. Right, go to a fucking monument, you little ADHD cunt, bro. Stop the fucking jackhammering, you little shit.
Why do we have a bubble in our base?
Fucking hell.
Y'all popped the whole bubble because you were jackhammering the base.
No, we didn't.
No one's attacked the base. The fucking hit, dude! I swear to God. So we're gonna win this bubble or no? This motherfucker.
What happened?
No, fake!
You got
Yo,
yourself.
using the chainsaw, big props.
Look at fucking chainsawing. Look, I can't hear fucking shit.
Bagels, you wanna join us? Alright, I'm gonna tell
Yo, who the fuck is getting arrested right now? Bro, I'm making the whole base decay and they don't even know.
Just keep on jackhammering, bro.
We're fixing base, guys. Don't worry.
Oh my god, no one's on! No one's on! Oh my god, no one's on! Oh my god. Yo, everyone got off, bro. Oh my god.
Dude, everyone's just being stupid, bro. They're passing out flashbangs, jackhammering, everything's being mad annoying. I'm about to leave the clan. Yeah, bro, I'm not gonna play with this clan anymore.
Bro, like, what are they
Alright,
doing,
half
dude?
the team is literally griefing.
What are they doing?
I just give up at this point, man. Yeah, have it
Brad,
stated.
Waldo, stop jackhammering right now.
That's not me!
It is
I
you,
died
I have
to nuts,
screenshots. I have screenshots of you guys jackhammering.
I jackhammer.
I saw who's jackhammering right now.
Alright,
Not me.
you got insider.
Not me, because I'm defending our base from nuts,
Yeah, that's
bro.
what I'm trying to do right now,
Menace
too.
is in our base.
Mythic, we got insided.
Eleven
Mythic,
Yeah, we're
I'm,
canceling wipe, bro. Wipe so, bro.
Mythic, I'm leaving this clan.
Yeah, I can
Are you joining?
And like and subscribe if you want some awesome juicy peaches.